And then today I'm also starting on the lower half of the deck. So my goal is to pressure wash it and then probably head to Home Depot, pick out some paint that matches the upper part of the deck. I'll walk you through everything that we're going to be doing there. And then it's a beautiful freaking day. So hopefully when I pick up Reese from the sitter, we can go swimming. I shared our pool vacuum yesterday that we've been using, which we freaking love. And I've had so many people ask questions about it. Highly recommend. If you are interested in purchasing it, I do have a discount code for you, which it gives you $140 off. So go check them out. Here is the lower half of our deck, which if you've been following along, you know that we decided not to get this refinished yet. Honestly, it's just a lot of deck that we have. So this was going to be really expensive to do this lower half. So maybe next year we'll do it. Maybe we won't. We still don't know what we necessarily want to do with this space. We've considered maybe like screening all this in and having it like indoor outdoor living area. So I don't know, we don't really want to be like stuck to something when we're so unsure with what we want to do. But what I do know is that it looks bad now, so we're gonna fix that. There's some areas that the paint is chipping, but also there's some areas where like the wood just needs to be replaced altogether, where it's rotting. So first thing first, I'm going to pressure wash everything, see what boards look rough, and then we'll remove those, install some new boards, and then I'm going to be painting everything down here. We are using this deck over. The deck was already painted before this, so that's why we couldn't use a stain. And also this deck is 30 years old. So deck over is what we wanted to go with because that's what is going to make it last longer. We went with the color Tugboat and we got it in the smooth finish. They do have the option where you can do texture as well, but we just prefer smooth. And I love that this is a lighter color than with what we had before because this got so hot. Day one of working on the deck was a success. I got a ton of the painting done. I actually got all 3 decks painted minus the boards that need to be replaced. We are having the new boards delivered tomorrow, so we'll be able to pull these up, install those. I'll be able to paint those and then paint the railings tomorrow. And that's pretty much it.